Dear colleagues, we are back in our new episode of BG Dental Tips, and this time we will be speaking about endo and about specific topic as resorcinol or Russian red. Let's go. There are a lot of problems with the sagittal teeth. One of the problems is the severe and hard discoloration on the pulp chamber, so sometimes it's very difficult to identify the pulp floor, to read the pulp map, to see where orifices are, okay? And there are a few methods how to clean up everything if you have this kind of discoloration. By the way, it may help you also in other cases rather than resorcinol cases. Maybe, for example, you have a case with silver cones inside, some eugenol paste, and the pulp chamber is very dark and so on. So you can use a few things. The first thing is a sandblaster, okay? Sandblaster, aluminum oxide, 23, 27 microns, 5 seconds, everything will become super clean. Or like in such a case, I would like to show you what I performed. So that's the steps of the access cavity formation. We remove the fold filling, there is a resorcinol under the floor, and then there is a view over the pulp chamber with some kind of specific discoloration. That time, because this case is very old, that time I didn't have a sandblaster, but still I use sometimes the trick that I'm going to share with you. And by the way, before I will share this trick with you, I would like kindly to ask you not to forget to put like to this video. We'll be very grateful. It will help us to share these clinical videos to our colleagues, and we'll get a motivation to continue this kind of videos for you, my friends. Okay, so the trick is to use phosphoric acid. The regular phosphoric acid that we used to use before we do composite restorations, before we do bonding or whatever. So you just fill the pulp chamber with phosphoric acid, you take micro brush, just 5-10 seconds you do scrubbing, then you rinse everything out and look how clean it becomes, okay? Now everything is more clear, more visible, and now I see where is the orifice of the MB1, where is the isthmus, where is the location of the distobuccal orifice, and so on and so on. And then you just start doing your endodontic things. You can use thin burs or thin ultrasonic tips to shave the isthmus, to clean the isthmus, to find out the root canals. Like in this case, we use a special carbide, very thin and long neck endodontic burr to make an axis to clean up the isthmus and to save and preserve as much sound tooth structures as we could in such a cases. And definitely if we speak about the upper molar teeth, especially first upper teeth, we have to expect MB2, and here you can see the isthmus, and here you can see in a high magnification the view over the potential orifice of the mesobuccal canal number 2. Okay, so here is after the obturation, and here you can see the X-ray and the separate mesobuccal canal number 2. Okay, so I hope this trick will help you to have more clear vision of the pulp chamber. Again, it may be used not only for resorcinol treated teeth, but also for the teeth with a severe discoloration on the pulp chamber. In combination with sandblasting aluminum oxide, it makes a magic, and it will help you to get better visual control over navigation in the pulp chamber. Okay, I hope you like it. Don't forget to put like to this video, to follow us on our YouTube channel, and see you next time, my friends.